Ken Long and Tortoise Capital market daily visualization for May 27th, 2026. We adjust the daily price. Adjust daily high. It's barely moved. It stays right there. It's back. Adjust the look back. Both of them. The a little above that third one. Good. The paper show. The 20-day regression, 10-day lay. 30-day back. The 30-day. The 250-day look back, I should say. The daily price indicator. And that's what we're looking at. That second leg up is starting to stall. And hard to see where the new strength is going to come from. And we'll be ready